Hello people and welcome back to yet another crazy episode on Maxi channel. Only the best moments caught on Bikers camera are right here in one place. And I hope you guys will enjoy this one as well. Get ready and rejoice. Driver in front of the biker forgot the importance of indicators, and this biker had something to say about it. Sarcastic to the core, I must add.
Is knippelig stuk. Is knippelig stuk. Nee, moet je hem gebruiken. Nog steeds zonder knipperlicht op het midden van de weg. Wij nou een domme zak, jongen. Echt waar.
Some drivers just wake up and decide to ruin someone else's day. Just because you wake up all grumpy and nervous doesn't give you the right to endanger others in traffic.
Kurwa robisz?
Co to, tor wyścigowy, chłopie?
Kto cię północ, który pasem jedziesz, idioto jebany? Lewym cały czas? Lewym
Jak całym czas?
Gówno, to rozpierdane prawie jedziesz wolniej.
Nagrywam wszystko, więc gościu, wiesz.
Co z tego?
No jajco, kurwa.
To masz jak jedziesz, kurwa. Kozak, kurwa.
No.
Dzwoń na milicję, już na milicję.
Tutaj ma audycję, że tu możesz szanować. To jest policja. Tu masz policję już od razu. No jedź się kurwa z celu. Spierdalaj.
Nagrany jest.
One of the bikers went way too fast past this family who was enjoying a nice walk through the forest. Father of the family managed to stop another biker and talk to him about their fast riding. Check it out.
Ja, sve sam vidio zdaj.
Kijk, gewoon dubbel.
Ja, pa otroci na cesti.
Moto redo.
Angry Karen thinks this biker is racing around the neighborhood, but in actuality he isn't. Just because his bike is loud, it doesn't mean that he's speeding up and down. This Karen doesn't just get it.
What'd you say?
You need to slow down and race in and out of here all the time. Race. You can't race in and out of the parking lot.
I'm not racing, it's a loud engine.
Baby mama, let's roll. Here we go, Cheerio, Cheerio. With the flow and the blow.
You keep it up with the motorcycle. You keep that up, okay?
Okay, call it.
Slow the down.
Call the police, go ahead, please.
Slow down with that motorcycle. In and out of here.
This driver didn't even bother checking his mirrors as he forced himself in front of the biker, and at the next traffic lights, the biker pulled up to him and he made sure to let him know.
Go! Where's these, please? Where's these? What's that? I know, but you didn't even use your mirrors. Alright.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
Asshole.
This driver's lane discipline is poor, to say the least. On top of that, he doesn't even use his indicators. God forbid check his mirrors. the biker got almost hit twice because of his rude driving. Let's just say that this van driver put the biker in a really dangerous situation. This lady didn't notice the biker being next to her and she almost hit him. Luckily it didn't come to a crash. Crazy driver went flying past the biker. He was in a right turn lane, but he disregarded the road markings completely as he went straight ahead. BMW driver didn't have the patience to wait, so he resorted to this crazy maneuver. Even though the biker was in the roundabout, this crazy driver still pulled out in front of him without caring at all. This crazy truck driver tried to purposely force the biker off the road. He didn't even indicate nor check his mirrors. This crazy driver completely ignored the biker, as if he didn't even exist. Biker didn't notice a truck immediately after the sharp curve, and he barely managed to react on time. This driver had a clear sight of the oncoming traffic. He definitely saw the biker, and regardless of that, he still cut right in front of him and almost caused an accident.
Hello there.
Golf driver thinks that he can drive in whichever lane he chooses. That's not how it goes, buddy. In this situation, the driver indicated to move right, but he pulled left and almost caused an accident.
go for a Shelly.
Stay in your lane, stay in your lane. Oh, wait. Never mind.
What is he doing, man? Shit ass drivers, man.
Crazy lady was overtaking a parked vehicle and she endangered biker's life. As a result, the biker hit her mirror.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing much going on here, just a self-entitled driver on two lanes. Driver that is about to appear on the biker's right side forcefully cut right in front of him, and he didn't even use his indicators, nor did he check his mirrors. Needless to say, the biker was annoyed by his reckless maneuver.
Green light for me. Yeah.
Biker didn't hesitate for a second when he saw a broken down vehicle in the middle of the road. One person was already pushing it, and it sure looked like he needed help to move this huge vehicle. No worries, Biker is here to save the day.
Come on, brother. You good?
I think I'm just out of gas.
Yeah.
Driver was in need of some help to get his car out of the road, and this biker came just in the right time to lend a helping hand.
Notice me, Senpai! Ah.
It looks like this pedestrian purposely tried to jump scare the biker. Gotta tell you something, it worked like a charm.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm okay. Are you?
This cool biker came across some kids selling lemonade in front of their house. He didn't actually need it, but he stopped just to make their day a bit better. Check out his offer and the priceless reaction on the faces of these kids.
Hi. Alright, so what were the prices again?
You get $1 a cup. It's buy two, get one free.
Alright, let's do that.
Okay.
I'm gonna be nice. Here's a 20. You guys can both split it.
Thank you.
Yes.
Here is 2 glasses. You want a third? Here, it's buy two, get one free. You can buy 50 of them.
Nah, all I need is 3. 3 will be enough. Thank you guys.
Thank you for stopping by.
No problem.
In this video, you will see just one small fraction of drivers this biker encounters on his daily ride. With drivers like this around, you either get into an accident or you develop supernatural reflexes.
I first met Ade Dutton.
And with this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two on how to behave while you're in traffic. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it really helps this channel grow. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.